music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?
Hi vlog and good morning. So my room is very messy, but yeah. So this was all on my bed last night. I thought I was getting the desk last night, but I'm actually getting it tonight. So yeah, but I'm all over the place. Okay, this is what I think I'm gonna do. So I don't know if I said this earlier or not. Yesterday was kind of a blur, but I'm gonna move this whole thing over here, and then I might keep my mirror, I'm not sure yet, or I might put my mirror right here. I also need to change these are from like 8th grade, back when zebra print was a thing. And then my desk will go like this way, so I'm gonna have to move that over. I'm gonna want to move these back, I think over above my TV. I like how that looks. Not for sure though, don't really know yet. And then in my closet, I got my cubbies back. I had these in here when I was very little. And yes, I still have stuffed animals down there. And I'm pretty sure that's like the gown I got baptized in, and like my baby stuff. I don't really know. But I just put them back in here. These were the things that were over here. And then this is gonna be my makeup, which I actually really like because I can sit down and do my makeup, and then I can also set my camera like right here and film get ready with me's and stuff. How does this look? Like, is this background fine? Oh yeah, this background would be cute for like get readies with me and stuff. So I mean, that'll work. And then I put up this cute little shelf. I actually made this shelf in woodshop class. Yes, I took woodshop. I think it actually might have been required in middle school. I'm not really sure. Could have been an elective. But I just hung all my scrunchies here, some headbands, some jewelry. And then I just have some of my makeup palettes and my bronzer, powders, beauty blender, and all that stuff. I found, I have my 3 candles. I think 2 of them will go on my desk, or 1 of them will go on by my TV. I don't really know. I wish I had the desk, and then I'll figure everything out. But right now, I'm gonna go get a shake. Oh my god, there's a piece of grass in my tanning oil. Okay, but I'm gonna go get a shake, and then I'm gonna come home, and I'm just gonna start going through all that stuff because my family's actually having a rummage sale later this summer. And like, I have a freaking baby doll. That cat I'm keeping. Okay, this is a long story behind this cat, but dance people I think would understand. No one else. Well, people that I danced with. Someone gave me that cat on the dance team. Okay, anyway. So I think I'm gonna start going through all that stuff because like half of it I don't even need and I can get rid of. And so I'm gonna do that. So when the desk actually does come, I have less to do. I will no longer have the filming background. I used to set my camera right here, you know, and now it's not that cute. So I'm either gonna do like, I might do like this way, or when my desk is there, I'll like sit here and then the camera will be here. I don't really know. Like I said, I'm gonna have to play around with it, but I'm just out of breath. Right now it's 12:52. Easton goes on his break at lunch at 1, and I wanted to get my shake before then, but I remembered that I forgot to vlog and I wanted to vlog. My whole family just left, so it's finally quiet in here, so I figured I would vlog now. Oh, I'm also not going to have it where I used to set my camera here and like talk to you guys. So sad. I got my desk and I love it. So my TV's over here now when you first walk in. The mirror's going to stay here for now. I think I'm just going to keep the mirror here. I need to figure out artwork for this wall. I might have to go to Hobby Lobby because I want to put these mirrors back above my TV over there and put some stuff. And then these were all just in my cubbies, so I just have them sitting there. Oh, that's the giveaway, some of the giveaway stuff. Can't look in there. Got cubbies, got my drawer, got this cute chair, got my blanket, a pillow, my computer. But I have to put all this stuff somewhere. There's always stuff behind the scenes that people don't show, and this is the nice part. That over there is not the nice part. Okay, hi everyone. Good morning. Right now it is 9:51. I work at noon, and I'm getting ready to do my eyeshadow, and I figured I would just like sit down and while I do it kind of talk with you guys, but I don't know if I'm gonna use this palette or a different one. Let me grab like all of these here. I want to use one of my new ones because I haven't like used them yet, but I think I'm gonna do a mix of these two. I think I'm first gonna go in with the shade Opulent, this one, just for my transition shade. Okay, this mirror's tiny. I'm gonna use the mirror in this one, I think. Yeah. So I'm actually I finished doing my room yesterday, if you guys obviously saw that if you made it this far in the vlog. And I really like how it is. I'm actually sitting on my bed right now getting ready, and it's so nice being able to sit down. And now that my room's like completely done, I can finally film my room tour. I was going to get a large mirror, as you guys know, but I just like do not have the space for that, so I don't think I'm gonna do it. But one day in my own house I will have a large mirror. I'm like doing this in the dark right now because the lighting turns out better on the camera if I have my light off. So I don't even know if this is like looking good or not. I'm trying to like look in my mirror. I think it's decent. Update on my skin. It's just bad around my eyes. My lips are pretty much good. There's like little flakies, but like not bad. So I don't really know. Makes me mad that they're there, but what you gonna do about it? Okay. I want to go with a little bit of a darker shade. I think I'm gonna go in with Throne in this one. That shade right here. And just put that in like my outer crease. Oh yeah, you can definitely see a difference. This looks so bad on camera. I can hardly tell in person that I have that on my face. But on camera, it's so noticeable and I don't understand. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the first brush that I had and dip into, let's just go back in with the first shade, and I'm just gonna go over that, what I just did, just to blend it out a little bit and make it not as dark. Because I don't really like my eyeshadow like too dark, and it kind of got a little bit dark. Also, I think this vlog is gonna be my last one. Or this is gonna be my last clip of the vlog. Every time I move, my bed makes a noise. I need to like scoop it there. That might be better, I don't even know. But I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, so if you're watching this and you aren't subscribed, please do it. I have some good videos in the works, and yeah, and my giveaway is gonna be popping. I'm so excited for my giveaway, you guys, you don't even know. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go on with this color Fierce right here. It's just like a gold shimmer shade, and I'm just gonna put that on my lid. But I'm just so surprised. Every day I wake up and my channel just keeps growing, and I never even thought of it like that it would grow. Like, it took me 4 months to get more than 100 subscribers, and then it just kind of like flew after that. I've gained like 400 subscribers in 3 months. And I know for some people like that's not a lot, but like for my channel it was, and it surprised me a bunch, and I'm just so grateful for everyone who is watching this video right now. It still amazes me that there's like 100 people out there that like watch my videos. More than 100. I get more than 100 views. I get like 100 to 150 on average per video. Like, that just is crazy to me. And yeah, I'm gonna film a life update video soon because I have some changes in my life that you guys don't know about, and a lot of people actually don't know about. I think only my family and then 2 of my friends know. So yeah, pretty exciting for me. And I wish I could tell you guys, but like nothing's for certain right now, so I don't want to like say stuff about it and then like it doesn't work out. So yeah. Okay, next I'm gonna go on with this, I don't know, is it rose or rosé? I don't even know. Palette, and I'm gonna use one of the highlighters in here today. I think I'm gonna use this one. I think I'm gonna use Bubbly for my cheekbones. This stuff is so pretty. I don't even know if you guys can see it. There, I think you got a little glimpse of it. And on my nose. Oh yeah, you can definitely see that one. Okay, question for beauty people. Are you supposed to just put it on the tip, or are you supposed to like put it down too? How much are you supposed to do? I see people do both. I don't know if like doing both's like a good thing. Like, do you want to do both? Like, I don't know. I'm not a beauty person. Someone let me know. And then are you supposed to put some on your chin too? I do. I personally don't like my chin because it's got like the little dimple in it, but I see people putting it on their chin, so that's what I do. I don't really know. Well, that's all I'm gonna do. I wait till the very last minute before I go to work to put on mascara because I literally hate mascara. But I'm just gonna give you a little update on my room. So this is where I was sitting right now. I don't know why I have emoji cups sitting here, but like I do. This is normally scooted back and these palettes are normally up there, so I have to put those away. But yeah, I showed you guys my closet yesterday. My TV, watching Olivia Jade. And then I just put this thing back over here and I just put all my Michael Kors on it. And then I have to finish filling out my drawers and stuff like that. And yeah, overall I really like my desk. This chair is so freaking comfy. And I can just chill right here with my tripod and it's perfect. I think this might be my new filming background. Like, I'm just gonna sit here and talk because the light's like perfect. So yeah, I think that's gonna be my new filming. And then I have my computer just over here. And this, it makes me so happy. I just love sitting here. And this chair, I didn't really like the coloring of it, but you can't even really tell. I guess I could show you guys. It's like corally and my room's like pink and blue. I have a gray blanket over it, so it's not as crazy. But I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because it's gonna be very, very long. Actually, my new vlog just went live, so that's cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe and give this vlog a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And I got a message. Oh, I got 2 messages. Okay, bye.
And don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?